So as promised, I told you all I would count to see how many Super Petunias was inside of the container. Now we have the silverberry, bubble gum, and a different variety that was inside of one container. That's the Super Petunia, you all. There were a total of 1, 2, look at that pretty color. 2, 3, 4. That's a pretty big one. 5, 6. That's 7, 8, 9. So that means if each individual plant is $5 in the stores, that means, and this could have been 2, which I could say 10, but I'll just say 9. 9 times 5 is $45. If I got this container for $20, that means I saved $25. So frugal spending, gardening can be affordable, where you can get more for the price of one. That means I got over half off, free, and that's what's meaningful for me. So you all, I encourage you, go out there, pay attention to how many individuals, because when I opened this up, they literally was individuals. Let me see. They sat just like that. They had them 9 of these just stacked together with some soil on the bottom, but it was easy to separate, which went to show that's the best way to get savings, in my opinion. Buy containers, and these Super Petunias I'm about to go plant in the front of my bed, you all. So see you again soon. Subscribe, comment if you actually like containers. All right, you all. Right, I have one there, one there, 3 inside the bed, and 3 on the front. I do have to weed all of that area, but we're at the front of the street. I'm on a busy road, as you all see.
So I'm looking forward to having some color. Those are my Petunias boxwood. Alright, that's my mailbox.